I love those. What?
We should get like the craziest lamp for our place.
Like lamp?
Yeah.
I'm down. The thing is, like, I'm always down to like decorate and shit, but I'm just so bad at
No, Kim, it's my favorite. Like,
yeah.
I'm so excited.